What is up, everyone, and welcome back to Cajun Towboater Reviews. My name is Bo, aka the Cajun Towboater, and today we are reviewing the Lightning Collection Wave 13, the last two in that wave, and they are the Beast Morphers Yellow Ranger and the Dino Fury Green Ranger. Now, people have been having more problems with these two than the last two. We'll go ahead and we'll check them out. So first, I was not happy about getting that package and the box being torn, as you can tell. Um, yeah, I wasn't happy about that. So let's hope nothing is affected inside. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. So you got the front of the box. You got the side with the helmet. You got this side with the art. And then you got the back. So it comes with her civilian head, her saber, a lightning effect, and her helmet, and an extra pair of hands. Alright, and then we got the Dino Fury Green, sorry. So you got that box, got the side with the helmet, got this side with the art, and the back. Then it comes with her civilian head, a helmet, her civilian head, extra pair of hands, her saber, and her lightning effect. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of do like a time lapse thing of me opening this. I was gonna do it for the last one, but something happened and it didn't save. So we'll just go ahead and do it for this one, and y'all may see my disappointment in the time lapse. You may not. But before that, cue the intro. All right, and here they are out of the box, and they look great. With all the problems that people have been having, I can't find anything wrong except on the Beast Morpher. I don't like how loose this is. It feels like if I take off her helmet, like her head or her helmet, I'd be able to take this off. But other than that, I mean, I don't see any imperfections or anything like that. I know some people complaining, oh, the Morphers in the wrong place and stuff like that. That doesn't bother me. It was actually up here. I just turned her wrist, and now it's in the place it was supposed to be. But yeah, I mean, as far as I know, I tried doing like some people. They let me just turn that a little bit. They were having problems where they would go to take off Izzy's civilian head, and the whole neck would pop off. I didn't have that problem. So let's go ahead and just look for any imperfections. Then we're going to check out the articulation. So let's go with Zoe, the Beast Morphers Yellow. So her double jointed elbows are pretty loose, which is pretty cool. It's not so thick. They're not so, I mean, not thick, not so stiff. This one's a little more stiff than this one. The paint looks good. There's a little imperfection. Well, no, that's just a little glare. Never mind. Sorry about that. Could probably do a 360 if the hair wasn't so long. But like I said, this just bothers me because it's so loosey. That just bothers me, but that ain't nothing. I'm not going to take off for that. She's got the abs and torso crunch. It's got a little paint run right here, but that's not bad. Another little paint run right here, that's still not that bad. I do like how they put in the colors on the Morpher. So that is pretty cool. It's better than the Dino Fury one. Her face looks good. I know some people are having problems with the way the face looks. Not like the paint aesthetic on it, like for the makeup, the eyes, and the mouth and stuff like that. So let's check out the articulation for it. She's got butterfly joints. She can do a full 360. Sorry, I'm kind of shaking my desk too. So I'll just leave Izzy laying down. And like I said, she got the double jointed elbows. She got a bicep swivel. The hands. Oh, they go this way. This way and that way. She can split pretty well because there's a slit in the dress part, the skirt part, sorry. She's got a thigh swivel. It's a little stiff, but there we go. Stiff double jointed knees. She's got a boot swivel. She can kick up this high. Her foot can go down that low and up that high. She does have an ankle pivot. Alright, now it's not going to be standing up the best. Alright, now for Izzy. Alright, so like I said, people were having problems with the neck, but I didn't have problems with that. No pain imperfections. And the Morpher is the way it should be. She does have loose double jointed elbows. Can do a full 360. Her head can do a full 360. She can split this much. She's got a bicep swivel and a thigh swivel. She's got double jointed knees. She can kick out this much. Foot can go down that low, go up that high. Alright, and her wrist go up like that, down like that. They can't really do much because of the gauntlets for the gloves. And there's one thing, I started with everything before I even showed y'all the accessories they come with, but it doesn't matter. We can do that. We can do that now. See, and they're fairly easy to stand. It's just when I was shaking the desk, it made Izzy fall. So, Beast Morphers Yellow comes with her lightning effect, her sword, an extra pair of hands, and her helmet. And the helmet doesn't look that bad either. I don't see any imperfections on it. Let's see if I can get it up close for y'all to view. There you go. Alright, and Dino Fury Green comes with her lightning effect. Her sword, which is crooked. Which I'm pretty sure if I get it to stay like this for a little bit, it'll go back to it. extra pair of hands. And her helmet. Oh, and I dropped it. And her helmet. Which, let's go ahead and see if I can get it to where I can focus on it for y'all. So yeah, that is the Dino Fury Green Ranger and the Beast Morphers Yellow Ranger. And to be honest, I mean, just like the last review, with all the problems that people have been having with them, for me not to get figures with any problems with them, like I said, I mean, the stiff joints I don't count. There's barely any paint imperfections on them. The figures look great. They move great. They feel great. They're pretty nice. I am happy for that. I do feel bad about the ones that are getting these quality control issues with the figures that they're spending money on. So I'm hoping Hasbro listens to us, listens to the fans and their / customers, and fixes these issues. But I will go ahead and give, like I said, I didn't have any issues with them. I mean, and for me to get this when so many people like these good like this, when so many people are having problems with them, I will give them, I'm not going to rate them separately because I will give them both a 10 out of 10. They were pretty good, and I didn't have any problems with them, just not like some of these other guys that they're having major problems with them. One guy even got this part of the helmet fell off, so all you had was this, and it was just like a hole. So I mean, I don't know how, I mean, bad quality control, someone just doesn't want to be doing their job. I mean, they need to fix that, and hopefully, like I said, hopefully Hasbro does fix it in the long run. Because, I mean, I'm getting good ones, but what happens whenever I don't get... I mean, y'all seen one of my reviews, the Blue Ninja Ranger. I got half of his head on the... where he just had the bandana. The head was all messed up. So, I mean, I bought another one, and I gave the one with the messed up head to my son to play with. I mean, he's 6, so that didn't bother him. But as a collector, as someone who likes to do these and review them and stuff like that, I mean, I'm spending my money on that. I want the quality control to be a little better. So if you got these and they were good like mine, messed up like some of these other guys or guys and girls are having, or you're just, like I said, some people are just done with it because they don't want the plastic free packaging, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about them. Let me know if yours were good or if yours were bad. You can also search Two Old Cajuns Nerd Out. That's mine and Cajun Toy Reviews podcast. We just recorded 2 episodes the night of the 2nd of February, and those should be dropping soon. We plan on doing a couple more before I go back to work on February 9th. You can search Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter for The Cajun Towboater, and you can find me on there. I'm mainly active on Instagram mostly, so if you need to get in touch with me, message me on there. If you want to get in touch with me, message me on there. But I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. Just overall, thanks for everything. And
thanks for coming out.